my friend. You there.
Yeah? What do you want?
Do I look like a coward to you? I mean, obviously I do, because I look like that milksop there, but 'tis no matter. Can you help?
Maybe.
See? Even he is sick of hearing your nonsense, you afterthought of a child. I apologize, sir, for his smell. Why don't we come back here? To somewhere more conducive to displays of utter gallantry and deep-seated inadequacy.
Well, what did you have in mind?
Shoot a bottle off my head, like William Tell.
This is getting silly.
Very silly. The man is a moron.
I'll do it.
Shoot one off mine instead. I'm the brave one.
I'm not scared.
I'm a good shot, but
I won't even flinch.
I don't want to hurt you, boys.
Oh, I can't lose. Either I'll prove my masculinity or die and be spared his company. Come, sir, please.
Okay, then. Listen, just make sure everyone knows you asked me to do this.
Of course, of course, of course.
You boys are ridiculous.
Okay?
You got it!
That was fun.
What was? I feel like we didn't even do anything.
Oh, of course you didn't. We all know you're hardly sentient at all.
Another round, smaller bottles,
Oh.
sir, please.
What?
I don't know.
Please, this creature is unbearable. He needs silencing.
I'll do my best. As long as she witnesses that I'm doing this under
Oh,
duress.
you boys are so silly.
Please, put us out of our misery. Yes!
Now I'll stand on one leg. Me.
Oh,
You
no.
keep shooting, sir, and this time you kill the beast. He emerged fully formed from the swamps, Helen.
Silence, you blackguard. Sir, shoot the wretch.
I'm ready. You're deranged. Shoot away. Excellent.
Now do one while I hop.
Do one while I turn somersaults. Shoot me.
Oh, give me the gun. Let me shoot him. For all mankind.
I think me and the lady have had enough.
Oh, I don't blame you, sir. This man's tongue, I would run too if I could. Here, for your skills and talents.
Thank you.
Now, brother, I am going to walk Helen home. Don't follow us. She has an elderly aunt, and I fear the sight of you could finally finish her off.
Helen, is this creep bothering you?
You two, come
Oh,
along.
no, there aren't two. There's me and the lizard man. Please, my angel, do not aggregate us both together.
Boys, you are too much. Far too much.
No, my sweet.
That was full.
Out of the way! Hey. Hello, mister. Hello. Yeah, you all right there, boy? Yeah, there you go. Hey there, mister.
Hey, get moving.
You okay, boy? Yeah. That's my boy. How you doing, boy? Yeah.
Yeah?
So good of you to join us.
What's going on?
Rebellion. The smell of cordite and integrity. It is a beautiful thing.
What are y'all doing?
An eye for an eye. We didn't start this, Arthur. They did.
We? This ain't our fight.
It surely is.
Whatever it
Look at
is
me.
you're planning,
Moldy.
it ain't a good idea. They
He's
want
not
you to fight.
very good.
Nobody will be killed.
We're just gonna trap a few of them in the valley, disarm them, tar and feather them, and remind them to leave these boys alone.
You have energy for pranks?
Come on, Arthur. Just tweaking Uncle Sam's nose a little. I need you to help me. Besides, it's perfect. People will see these boys. They won't notice us, and they'll think we're gone. Everyone will blame everything on the Indian problem, and we'll just... up the river. But first, we need to trap them in this pass. Help me dynamite up these trees.
So, you're using them?
No, sir. No. Never. But it is mutually beneficial to draw attention to one problem and avail over another.
These are good people, but their situation is real complex. We ain't helping them.
Sure we are. Come on. Let's get this done.
We don't have a lot of time. The patrol should be coming in a few minutes.
Okay. Hurry, Arthur. I'll plant the dynamite, you run the wire.
Eagle Fly sounds like Javier. Javier Esquia.
I sent for some of that dynamite you and Bill commandeered in Van Horn. Good work with that, by the way.
They'll play drunk.
The perfect man for the job.
So, you finally got to see Colm hang.
Column.
Yeah. After all those years, hard to believe. Oh, but it was worth the wait. See? We're tying up the loose ends, Arthur. One by one.
Rip Van Winkle. Big up, John.
I think that should do it. Come on now, quick. Get back up here.
Okay, let's go, Arthur.
Hurry, I think I see some movement in the distance. The detonator's by me. Here. My spotter will let us know when they're near. They're coming now. Ah, damn. The patrol's a lot larger than we thought it was gonna be.
Don't worry. That's thing.
Okay, that's the signal. Here they come. Stay low and quiet.
You sure you don't want me to man that plunger, Arthur?
No, I got it.
Oh, remove the weight of the world from your shoulders for a minute. Like I said, we're just going to give them a bit of a scare.
There they are. Looks like more than we thought.
It's fine. We're only here to talk.
It's the army, man. What are we doing here?
Old-fashioned humiliation. You're owed that, son.
George had to
Very
go at me
easy.
for bringing back John
Wait
because
for my lead.
draw
man.
too much
Everyone just
tension.
stay calm.
And now
We got
we've
the upper hand here.
killed a bunch of O'Driscolls in Saint Denis and lawmen, and now we're
Okay. They've
pressing the army.
Put your hands up! You're surrounded! Nobody need get hurt! Your humiliation of us has gone on quite enough.
This ain't a good idea.
Put down your guns!
You are making a mistake, boy.
No! You're making a mistake. Put your hands up, soldier. Take a little, humiliation, and leave these fine folks alone.
Who are you?
A concerned citizen.
Is that so?
What now?
We should move.
No, not quite yet. Soldier, you and your friends gonna tuck tail and run off? Run!
Excuse me?
I'm getting bored of this. Your friends fired first, soldier!
Father won't be happy about this.
I can't hate Dutch. I'm mad at him, but I think it's just Micah in his ear.
This is bad.
Hold your ground!
Let's make them pay.
Goddamn Indians! It's time you pay for what you've done.
He didn't want this!
Look out! They're coming up on our left. We will kill you all if that's what it takes.
People have suffered
You're dead. Wipe your hands.
You fools, you damn fools! It's the army!
It is one regiment of pastry chefs and bullies. Watch your goddamn mouth. All of you, take what you can, and then we move out.
Move now. We have to move now.
Search these men quickly, then we move.
This is crazy. Why aren't we getting out of here?
They might have information on them that'll help our friends with their cause.
We need anything my father can use to strengthen our case.
Yeah.
Ain't sure much is gonna strengthen your case after this.
Oh, what's Dutch now?
I have a bad feeling about this. He said nobody would be killed. It's done now. If Colonel Favors find
Why did
out
he shoot
about
the floor?
So be it. You tried talking.
We should get out of here soon, though.
Oh, I've got to do that with Micah.
Look for anything they have on Colonel Favors.
Yeah. What now? Oh yeah. I forgot. I don't know. No, you can borrow one for someone.
Find anything?
Yes. Some poor fool from New Jersey. These boys ain't the problem. They're only kids.
Keep looking.
Oh,
Shit! Everyone, keep your heads down. We're trying to get out of this.
You wanna fight for them, you duck? Hey, no! Are you alright? I think so. Don't pay for that. You're finishing them! You think you can take on the U.S. Army? We're gonna win this some good. What do we do here, Dutch? This is a lot of men!
Just hold your ground. Surrender, and they'll hang you off. Try to flank them, Arthur. We'll shoot you some space.
Yes! We need to take out that cannon!
Up the hill, the cannon. Take out the fire, Arthur.
These are the last seconds of your life, fella! Go to hell! Where's Peta?
Peter.
They're sending riders from the fort. We need to leave.
But where's Peta? Was he killed? He's alive.
Well, that went just about according to plan.
I'm trying. I'm trying, Arthur, with everything I have, and I will keep trying, and you'll keep doubting me, and we'll keep failing.
It ain't like that, Dutch. Look at me. Look at me! I'm worried about folk.
I know. We should go.
Where's Eagle Flies?
Run, son! Run! Come on! This area's gonna be crawling with soldiers in a few minutes. We gotta leave. Now!
What about Eagle Flies?
We gotta go, Arthur! Come on! We need to ride hard! Stay with me! Left here! Into the trees! Okay, let's dismount here. We won't get the horses down this path. All right, let's carry on by foot. Try and sell them a little snake oil.
You think?
It's all I got. Get out of here. Yeah! Let's see if we can lose them down here. Shit! I guess not. Oh, behind something, Arthur. Come on, let's see if there's a way out through here.
Uh-oh.
More on the left. Shoot, Arthur.
Out.
Let's keep going. Follow the path. It's got to spit us out somewhere. Let's go on. Come on. Behind us. Hold them off. This is a losing battle, Arthur. Oh, we've got to do something.
Oh! Dutch!
There's too many, Arthur. Fall back. I don't know how much longer we can hold out. I'll see you now. There's too many. Run, get moving. This is only gonna end.
There. This is it.
Well, Arthur,
No.
Put your hands up! I said put your damn hands up!
Okay. Okay. Follow my lead. I got a plan. This is a good one. Hello, officers.
You keep them hands up and come here. Put your hands up!
Hello, Captain.
Keep your hands up and come here. Come here.
We can't do that.
What are we gonna do?
Your man... Those men they killed? They were good men.
What are we gonna do, man?
You're fighting nature, Captain.
Get over here!
Ask my friend here. My whole life, I tried to fight change. It's a waste. I see that now. It's a waste. You can't fight nature, Captain. You can't fight change. You can't...
Oh! Oh! My days. I got Dutch. No. Butch.
Come on, Arthur! Take my hand! Come here, big boy! I got you! You're okay! Oh, you're okay.
What a mess.
I know, but a mess is what we need. Oh, we just escaped from chaos. Eagle flies must have been taken.
Taken or killed?
Well, we can't go find out.
No, not now.
Charles, we'll send him. Where is he?
He's probably back at camp.
Let's split up. I'll go tell him. You rest up. Keep a lookout. We are gonna make it, brother. I can feel it. Faith, Arthur. Have faith.
Deer again.